All of it. 5 o'clock winner. Final. All of it. 5 o'clock winner. All the racing. Jolly old news.
Not yet, not at 6:30.
What do you want? Want the finish to work all night here? Right? You want the finish to work all night? Right? 5 o'clock winner. Final. All the winning. Light favour.
Gibbs again into bowl to close. Outside the off stump, close right to the pitch of the ball. Strokes it into the covers and Carew feels there's no run. England 216 for 5, 80 runs behind. And Gibbs again into bowl to close. And close again right forward defensively. Looking a good deal more confident, I think, Harold Wimpole, as the score is at 11 and England's total 216 for 5. Well, 85 overs has been bowled, but it's still Solvers from the city end to bowl to Dexter, with Wall in the slips and Kenai in that leg slip. And the first one, Dexter gets back and crashes it to Wade mid-on, where Hunt fields, and there's no run. Solvers again to Dexter, and Dexter drives him hard back into the ground, and Solvers does well to field it, close getting out of the way of the non-striker end. And England's total remains at 216 for 5, and Solvers into bowl to Dexter again. And this one is dug out York length. Dexter dropped his bat right on by his feet, and Solvers again fields. Solvers again to Dexter, and this time Dexter is tentative, pushing it into the gully. Warren moves to his right. Ball going too slowly to beat him. And England total 216 for 5. It looks as if Dexter's really going to hammer this bowl if he gets a chance. He's on 30, and Solvers to Dexter. It's on the defensive. This time on the onside, and again it's Kenai coming out of the leg slip to field. Solvers from the city end into bowl to Dexter. And Dexter drives that one hard down, beautifully fielded there by Hunt, making a lot of ground to his left. And the end, I think, of a maiden over, isn't it, Ralph Johnston? Maiden over from Solvers. England total still at 2:16.45.
Thank you. You gathering evidence? Are you gathering evidence? Not fishing the court law, you know that. On straight. John Lewis. One way, not one way, we're digging for oil, I think, up Come on. We're in the fish market. I sure. Good job tonight, they have it. Good calls.